I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about daily videos regarding how to make money online. Today I'm going to show another website through which you can make thousands of dollars just by doing completing various tasks, and that's it. And so before that happens, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays regarding how to make money online. So let's dive into it. Today I'm going to talk about this new website called Remote Tasks, where you can make money doing tasks, start earning from home today. So how it works? Simple. By following this method, you might be able to make around thousands of dollars, maybe less than that or more than that. So I really don't know. So until you try, you will not be able to know that how much you can make money from this website. But I would say check this out, and let's take a look at how it works. So tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you. English fluency is the only requirement. That means you have to know English really well to be able to do these jobs, okay? And to get paid via PayPal, obviously. Now what you have to do is sign up easy. Just reconnect to Facebook. You have to use your Facebook account to connect to sign up for this website, and then get certified in all sorts of task categories. Like there is some sort of approval process that you have to go through in order to be eligible for making money, for taking tasks, right? That you can do. They will assess you like that. So the next thing is work. Do tasks in categories we have unlocked. As you continue to do the tasks, you will keep unlocking more and more tasks that will pay you more money. Okay. Now finally the most important thing that I'm going to talk about is getting paid. Okay. You can earn money and get paid weekly with PayPal, and that's really awesome. Like you will get paid weekly. Now the tasks include we have variety of tasks. Few examples are given below here. Like images, draw the bounding boxes. You have to just draw the bounding boxes around a car or a tree or a lamppost or anything like that. You just what is instructed, you have to do that, and if you can do it right, you will get paid. Simple as that. Now 3D, annotate 3D data from lidar and radar sensors to help self-driving cars move forward. I see, that's how it works. And OCR transcription, transcribe important content from images of documents and menus. And code blue cotton, categorization, identify keywords that describe what is in an image or text. Comparison, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what is where. I see now. This is similar to that one. You have to create some kind of bounding boxes and do this. And you have to, for this you have to identify the keywords that describe what is in the image or text. It's so simple. Now data collection, search the web and collect data about anything. Like you have to do some kind of research or something, and you will get paid for that and for the task. Now the community, join a vibrant community of people using remote tasks to achieve their dreams together. Clyde, Eloisa, Carlos, they're the community members, I guess. Now the frequently asked question, how do you join? You can create an account on Remote Task by visiting sign up page. After that you'll be able to join us using your Facebook or Gmail account. Once in your account you can start taking courses in the Remote Task training centers. As I said, you have to go through some of the approval process, so they will be training you first, but before you do the real task and get paid, right? And if you pass that test, then you are eligible to take any task that they provide you, and you will get paid for completing those tasks. Simple as that. Now as you can see, do we have to pay to use your platform? Of course not. We don't charge for working on our platform. However, there's a 2% PayPal transaction fee which you pay out your earnings. Okay, they will slash a 2% payout payment request, like payout payment fee on the amount that you accumulate in your balance, okay, your dashboard. They will charge only 2%. That's fine, and you are getting paid like $10 or $20, $30, $50, $1,000, depending on the task. You can make thousands of dollars. So that's incredible. Thousands of dollars per month as extra income. This is not a Lamborghini money, but you can make a lot of money by doing it as a side income, I guess. And maybe you can enjoy with that money. And will I really get paid? We have tons of taskers working on our platform that get paid every week. If you would like to connect with one of them, let us know. So they will also connect with the one that is working, so that you can gather the experiences from them. So minimum number of workers, there is no minimum to get paid each week. That's good, and that means you can choose your own time to do the task and complete the task. So that's incredible. And after okay, I will actually do during in-person bootcamp training. Okay, they'll be training you. The training takes 10 days. Remember, for 10 days they will train you. After that, you will get the real tasks and start earning. It's not like you start earning from today, because the 10 days are going for the training and stuff like that. So after 10 days, you might start earning money. That's what I think it is, and that's incredible. It's a one-page website, as you can see. You have to just sign up using your Gmail account or something like this. You have to Facebook or Google account. That's what I want to say, and I hope this video is really helpful. If it is, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays in our channel regarding how to make money online. And also, as a disclaimer, as I said in other videos, there's no guarantee that you will make money by following this process, but I recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, that's great. And there's no guarantee that you will make a single dime from it. That's as a disclaimer, I always say that. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.